This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming location services are active so the app can find you accurately. Next, open Apple Maps or your chosen map app and grant permission if asked. Type an address or name in the search bar or tap a pin on the map. This locates your destination instantly. Once the destination appears, check the listed travel modes and estimated times. Make sure to choose the correct result, because similar names can lead you to the wrong place. You now pick how you'll travel: driving, walking, transit, or cycling. After selecting the mode, review the suggested routes and compare times, distance, and any tolls. Tap alternate routes to swap. Adjust settings like avoiding tolls or highways and enable voice guidance so you don't need to stare at the screen. If using transit, check departure times and platform info. Once satisfied, tap Go. The app begins navigation and updates in real time as you move. Follow the turn-by-turn directions while you keep an eye on the ETA and next maneuver. If the app reroutes, pause and confirm the new path before continuing, because automatic changes may take you a different way for traffic. Use voice guidance and lane indicators when available to reduce distraction. If the map drifts or loses your position, toggle location services off and on, or force close and reopen the app. This usually resets GPS and clears temporary glitches, so navigation resumes accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.